Put the bleach down and stop breaking hair.
Hi everyone, I'm Susie Bond, L'Oréal Professionnel artist and color specialist. We don't always need lightener, right? Let's take a look at Majirel High Lift.
We all have those clients who want extremely blonde hair, an appointment every 4 to 6 weeks, and only highlights. Regrowth looks like a single process, and we spend hours trying not to overlap. Then there's the partial versus the full, leaving somewhere on the head not blonde. Always metal detox. High Lift is available in 5 shades that lift up to 4 levels and tone with various reflex once they're lifted to a level 9 and 10. 900S and 901S lift up to 4.5 levels. High Lift with odor trapping technology is compatible with Majirel 30 volume for up to 3 levels of lift and maximum deposit. Use Developer 40 volume when maximum lift is the focus. 40 volume Majirel compatible to OTT, available December. Hair analysis stays exactly the same. Natural level 6 with a level 10 neutral result. The extra warmth in her hair requires maximum lift. High lifts have a longer lift cycle with 2 to 3 times the deposit of a level 10 ash. A long regrowth application will accommodate these 2 different canvases. High Lift 901S and 40 volume Developer is applied from the 1/2 inch new growth area through the darkest mid-lengths and ends first to get things started. Process 15 minutes, remix the same formula and apply that to the new growth and set your timer for 50 minutes. That's 50. Refine the entire canvas by glossing scalp to ends with hyaluronic Dialight for the win. Bring back the power blonde. Single formula highlights work, but do they speak to your inner dimensional artist? Developer changes and varying processing times cause uneven results over numerous appointments. High Lift processes 50 minutes, so let's start there, leaving space for more. High Lift Ash Plus, extra blue to tone, and 40 volume Developer will produce a beautiful natural level 10 on this excessive yellow canvas. Match the existing blonde with Blonde Studio 9 Bonder inside and 20 volume. This project took a little more magic. Dia color shadows, just a few on the top and the front where the previous highlights were not dimensional. Then smudge the line with Dia Light. Pro tip, add gold to anchor the durability. Add the final magic at the shampoo bowl with a mocha violet pearl for the win. There's nothing like a little natural light to complete the picture. Be sure to like and subscribe for your education destination.